Welcome to IELTS speaking test number 17. Please turn on the subtitles. After completion of the video, check the vocabulary in the description box. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. Describe a polite person whom you know. In this question, you should answer the following sub-questions. Who is the person? How do you know him or her? And explain why you think this person is polite. Well, I know many persons who are polite by nature and have very good personalities. Politeness is a hallmark of one's personality. It brings rewards to people like appreciation from others. So, here I would like to speak about a person who is polite by nature, and she is none other than my mother. Ever since I have seen her, she is continuing her habit of being polite with others. I consider my mother a polite person because she never speaks too loudly with others, as well as listens to other people very carefully. It is her politeness that brings her a good reputation in society. Here, I would like to narrate one incident, and it happened a couple of months ago. When my mother and I visited the local shop, it was not only the first time that we visited. We had been regular customers of that shop, but on that day, we visited, and my mother gave a list of items to the shopkeeper, but the shopkeeper seemed rude and annoying. So instead of listening to us and giving us desired things, he shouted at my mother, and my mother, in return, pacified him by giving a glass of water, because my mother knew that if a person is too angry, and the reason behind his or her aggression is something wrong with the person. So my mother again asked the shopkeeper to give her things that we needed, and the shopkeeper felt embarrassed and apologized for being so rude to my mother. He gave us a free voucher so that the next time when we will visit his shop, we could get a discount on anything. So I think politeness can bring a person real reward not only in earning money, but also in building a good reputation in the society. Now, let us prepare the follow-up questions. Question number 1. Do you think you are a polite person? Question number 2. How do you show politeness? Question number 3. Do you think politeness is important? Question number 4. In your opinion, why is it important to show respect to others? Question number 5. Can you give me some other examples of how people show politeness in your country? Answer all of these follow-up questions in the comment box. This is an example. You can use your situation. Check out the vocabulary used in this speech, which is given in the description box. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice.